Today is the day we finally install the side skirts and complete the look. This is gonna be the sickest Supra ever. Let's go, that was so easy. What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, we got my Supra up on the race ramps because we're finally gonna be installing the EVS side skirts. If you guys watch any of my videos, you'll see that I got these side skirts paint match nocturnal black about 6 or 7 weeks ago, and I've just been waiting for it to cure. And honestly, the weather's been very poo-poo, so I've been unmotivated to try to even freaking work on the car. But we gotta get it done. Week Fest is right around the corner and I gotta get the car looking perfect. These are the EVS side skirts. They come with these FRP side skirt itself that I paint matched nocturnal black, this carbon extension, and what I did was I purchased 2 sheets of ABS plastic. These are 8 inches by 70 inches long, and they are a 1/4 inch thick. I'm gonna actually be cutting them up to get them to match with the carbon extension. I think I'm probably gonna leave like a little extension like this out, just so we can protect the carbon fiber from getting damaged. And shout out to Sufficient Vincent. He posted up a YouTube video a long time ago about cutting up ABS plastic and putting it as an under panel for the carbon extension. Shout out to you, Vincent. Thank you so much for all of your help. I think that these EVS side skirts are gonna totally set off the Supra and get it looking right for Week Fest. As you guys can see, we have the very aggressive front end. We have the canards, front lip, and splitter from Sabre Designs, and it's super, super aggressive. But now, paired up with the super, super big wing by Voltex, the swan neck, we got the EVS fenders right here. We got the EVS GTLM mirrors, which is honestly one of my freaking favorite parts. But the side skirt is gonna go ahead and set off this complete build. I'm super, super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting up the ABS plastic and getting it matched up with the carbon extension. I think some of my friends are supposed to show up today, but honestly, the weather has been so poo-poo. I wouldn't blame if none of them did. But I hope they do, because I miss you guys. Please. So what we did first, I went ahead and taped up the ABS plastic so it's easier to draw and trace where I want to cut. But we're only going to leave a little bit of ABS plastic showing because I don't want the extension to be too big. About 1/2 inch. And because we taped it up, we're going to be able to drill all the holes to get them lined up now. Perfect. Phil's gonna come over with a jigsaw because all I have is a Dremel and I don't want to use a Dremel to cut that. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go ahead and remove the OEM side skirt or rocker panel. All it is, again, is a couple pop clips and 8mm bolts. Here's your 8mm. Let's see. Easy, easy. Let's go! That was so easy. I am grabbing an energy drink. And I used to be all about the White Monsters. If you guys watched my channel for a while, you'll know White Monsters was my jam. But lately, this has been my jam. Ghost Energy, the citrus one. This one's to you, Andy, and to everybody else that watches the vlogs. Damn, that's so good. All right, buddy showed up. It's Phil with the best sounding Supra in the Northwest. Let's get you guys some exhaust sounds. Yo, let me get an exhaust clip real quick. This thing is one of the best sounding exhausts. RK titanium exhaust, catless downpipe. I'm running RK titanium exhaust, catted downpipe. And I'm always wondering if I should make the switch, but this thing looks freaking good. Wow. What's up?
For to be a full-time daddy?
Bruh, I got some crazy news about that, my guy. Yeah, y'all, if y'all don't know, I'm gonna be a dad soon, and baby was due June 21st. And you know, it hasn't been the easiest, but new expected daddy date is end of May or beginning of June. I'm gonna be a dad soon, guys. This shit's crazy. Got the jigsaw. Oh my god. Just gonna get it done. Oh, let's get it done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, y'all. We're gonna make sure these side skirts really stick on here, so I got some cleaner, some rapid prep. Pretty much cleans up all the oils, wax, anything that's on this side skirt. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply adhesion promoter. See this? He can sing.
The next day.
All right, y'all, it's the next day, and today is the day we're finally gonna complete the look I've been trying to go for with the Supra by installing the EVS side skirts. I'm telling you guys, this is gonna be the sickest Supra ever. As you guys know, we bought some ABS plastic, which I think turned out amazing. Look at this. I love the extra width it adds to the car, and once you guys see it on the Supra too, this width, it matches so perfectly with the fenders and the canards that I have, because as you guys can tell right now, it makes the car really wide, and then when you get here, there's nothing. And this fixes that. And I'm telling you guys, it looks so freaking good. I modified some holes to make it bigger to fit underneath it. Good thing we bought the sheet of ABS plastic, because the holes, there's only one hole. Everything that's gonna support the side skirt is the ABS plastic, so I'm not too concerned about these holes here being bigger, because the washer is not gonna fall through. This is the hardware here, and I was afraid of drilling larger holes or bigger holes or new holes because of how it's gonna mount, but we're not gonna have any issues because the washers are much bigger than the hole that I drilled. So it's gonna fit perfectly. And because of the ABS plastic too, this side skirt is solid. It is solid. My fear was without the ABS plastic extension that I added, the carbon extension would easily get damaged, but I think it's gonna live for a very long time. Fingers crossed. But look at this. We got the 3M on. I prepped. I cleaned everything. We are gonna go ahead and mount this. I'm so excited. Before we complete installing the driver's side, I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek of the passenger side. This is it. all mounted. Look, it looks so good. I left it with the quick jack blocks and the quick jack applying pressure so that the 3M could cure. It is VHB, so it is on there. And along with using all the OEM hardware, this thing is stuck on there. I would be afraid to remove this, but if I ever had to, I think I can go ahead and just remove the full rocker panel itself. And it'll come off as a whole now. But the carbon shroud completely sets it off. It still needs some adjustment there, but you guys will see what it looks like. It looks amazing. This is not completely on, but all right, let's go ahead and finish the install. I got the 3M on the tape peeled back a little bit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, bolt it up, and then peel the tape back slowly, because if I peel it all off and it sticks on there, it's gonna be very hard to get off. You're gonna be using the spacer and this 8mm to replace the old 8mm hardware for the under panels. Alright guys, it's the next week. I just got off of work and spent the whole day getting the car on the ground. It is 85 degrees right now, so it's extremely hot. I didn't want to spend time, recording the rest of the install. It's pretty easy. I just pretty much removed the jack stands that were pressing up the skirt so that the 3M could bond. I prepped the shrouds, got them on, and then dropped the car, and it looks absolutely amazing, guys. It is finally installed, and I'm extremely happy with how it turned out. Now, I'm going to be very honest with you guys. One side definitely fits better than the other side, and the passenger side needs more work. It didn't fit on perfectly, so there's areas where the VHB 3M is kind of separating from both the panels, and it bothers me a little bit. But for the most part, because my car is black, it looks okay. So one day I'm going to take off the passenger side again. I'm going to fix it, but I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. This is the Supra. It is all done. Very happy with how the driver's side turned out, but you can see that, let me see, in the front here, you got the 3M separating a little bit. It's dark and black, so it hides it well. And this side fits really, really good. However, the other side could use some work. You can see some of the 3M tape behind there. It doesn't sit as flush, and then down in this section right here, it separates a little bit, the 3M tape. Can you guys, you can kind of see it on the camera, you get it. But you see that right there, that bothers me a lot, and the shroud definitely needs some work. It's separating right there. Oh, there you go, you can see it. Ugh, that bothers me so much. But it's too hot, I spent too much time today, probably a total of 3 hours, just getting off the ground. And let me tell you, getting these quick jacks off of the car was extremely hard because my car is so much lower to the ground. I was stressing out. I was having such a hard time. But it is finally done. It's nice this weekend. I finally got to enjoy it. But this is all for today's video. But we finally got the side skirts installed. What do you guys think? There's a lot more options out now, but I've always wanted the EVS side skirts. I've been holding on these for 8 months, and I finally got it on, and I'm extremely, extremely happy. I think it balances the car, and it was exactly what it needed because of all the front aero in the front. We had the heavy aero in the front, we got the heavy aero in the back, and finally adding some width to the side profile of the Supra. I think it looks so good. But that's all. I hope you guys made it this far. If you did, please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the side skirts. Is it a big deal that the 3M's peeling back? Do I spend time to fix it? I'm not looking forward to that. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Comment, like, subscribe if you haven't, because 99% of y'all aren't even subscribed. Oh, and that makes me sad. We got a lot more planned. And I'm sorry. Oh, one thing I wanted to talk about. I know I haven't been uploading as much as I have been compared to last year, and that's because in a couple weeks, in less than a month, baby boy's coming. Your guy is gonna be a dad. And I don't know how that's gonna affect these YouTube videos or content in general, but it's gonna be crazy. I'm super nervous. So if you can, pray for your boy. I hope I'm gonna be a good dad, but the videos might slow down, and I just want to let you guys know up front. So if you guys have subscribed, if you guys always watch, and to all the ones that always show love and support in the comment section, thank you so much. This isn't goodbye. I'm scared. I'm just rambling off right now. Just thinking about this makes me nervous, so I'm just gonna jump off.